Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
F-35 takes a backseat as Lockheed highlights F-21 for India. Lockheed Martin is currently focused on selling 114 F-16 based F-21 fighters to India instead of offering the F-35A. This disclosure came directly from a representative of the American company. They reported that Lockheed Martin has not formally proposed the acquisition of the F-35A stealth fighters to New Delhi. Back in 2018, rumors about a potential sale of F-35 fighter jets to India started circulating. Some media speculated that India could be interested in these advanced jets, but the Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force, Birendra Singh Dhano, firmly denied any such discussions, stating that the F-35 was not part of India's plans. However, the geopolitical landscape has shifted considerably in recent years. In 2023, two F-35s made their debut appearance at the Aero India show, capturing public attention and fueling new speculation. According to US military attaché, Rear Admiral Michael L. Baker, India is still in the very early stages of determining its interest in the fighter jet. Some military experts, like Manmohan Bahadur, a retired air marshal from the Indian Air Force, are skeptical about India adopting the F-35 anytime soon due to its incompatibility with India's current systems. Others view the F-35's display at Aero India 2023 more as a symbol of deepening US-India military cooperation rather than an imminent purchase. The rumors have gained momentum in recent years, largely due to increasing tensions over military supplies from Russia, exacerbated by the ongoing war in Ukraine. This conflict is also pushing India to consider Western options more seriously for modernizing its military aviation. The US proposal to sell India F-21 fighter jets, adapted from the F-16 platform, is a significant turn in defense procurement talks between the two nations. Revealed at the Aero India show on 20th February 2019, the F-21 is geared to compete in India's Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft (MMRCA) program, which aims to acquire 114 aircraft for the Indian Air Force (IAF). This offer is crucial as it aligns with India's Make in India initiative, focusing on technology transfer and fostering local manufacturing capabilities. The F-21 features several advanced attributes customized for the IAF. It includes a ground collision avoidance system (GCAS), a retractable refueling boom, and an APG-83 radar, which draws technology from Lockheed Martin's fifth-generation jets like the F-22 and F-35. The aircraft also boasts an upgraded glass cockpit and sophisticated avionics, enhancing its combat efficiency. The F-21 is engineered to carry multiple AIM-120 air-to-air missiles, boosting its operational versatility. Lockheed Martin isn't just pitching the F-21 as a tweaked F-16. Instead, it highlights how it integrates insights from its fifth-generation aircraft, paving the way for India's potential future involvement in the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter program. Promising substantial local manufacturing, the company has partnered with Indian firms like Tata Advanced Systems, which could generate thousands of jobs in India while also bolstering American engineering roles. Even with rival offers like Boeing's F-15X and France's Dassault Rafale in the mix, the F-21 aims to stand out through its unique features and the promise of localized production, enhancing its appeal in India's defense sector. This ongoing discussion around the F-21 highlights the significance of US-India strategic defense partnerships amid regional security concerns. Right now, the sale of F-35s to India is still not on the table, as Lockheed Martin and US authorities haven't made an official offer. While India is keen on updating its fleet, any news about possibly purchasing F-35s hinges on the progress of its own domestic fifth-generation fighter program. Enter AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, India's effort to develop a homegrown platform to fulfill its Air Force's needs and lessen reliance on foreign technology. Looking ahead 15 years, if the AMCA program hits its stride, India might opt to invest in homegrown production over buying F-35s. This approach has several perks, bolstering the industrial base, creating jobs, and achieving strategic defense independence. However, India's goal of building its own fighter jet isn't without its hurdles, such as technological constraints and the need for hefty research and development investments. Conversely, should India opt to purchase the F-35, it would immediately gain access to state-of-the-art technology and stealth capabilities, significantly enhancing the Air Force's operational efficiency. However, this move carries risks such as reliance on foreign suppliers and limited control over the aircraft's production and technical features. In simpler terms, the decisions India makes regarding the F-35 and its own indigenous fifth-generation fighter program will be pivotal in shaping the future of its military aviation for years to come. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.